I have a random spray bottle with water, and then I have a random toothbrush. Yeah. So let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Akia Says Relax. And if this is the first time of you guys hearing about me, please subscribe and like this video if you enjoy it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to refresh your old braids. I did a Marley twist, well not twist actually, but it was like a Marley braids, cornrows with extensions. And I've had them in for like 2 weeks now. They were looking a bit old, so I found this really easy way to like make them look fresh. Okay, so these are the products that I have here. I'm going to talk about them each right now. So first of all, I have the Gorilla Gel, and this one I got from the States, but I'm sure you can get this on Urban Mix on the website. And I think it's for like 35 CDs or something like that. Then I have this, it's called Wild Growth Oil. And you can also get this one from Urban Mix. I have some olive oil wrap set mousse. And this one, I got this one from Smack. It was 30 CDs, yeah. And then I have a random spray bottle with water. And then I have a random toothbrush. Yeah. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. So I started by spraying my hair with a little water from my spray bottle. And I'm focusing on my edges because, as you know, even though you want to look good, you still have to keep your edges moisturized. So that's what I did. And I also sprayed a bit of my braids as well. Then I moved on to my wild hair growth oil, and I'm putting a bit on my edges because, as I said before, you want to keep your hair healthy, and in between my braids as well. As you can see, and this is really important because it also keeps your hair moisturized as well. It seals in the moisture from the water that you sprayed from the spray bottle. Okay, so now I'm moving on to my Gorilla Snot Gel. And I'm doing this to keep my edges laid and slayed, as you know, because as you can see, my hair is looking a bit crazy looking. So this is the only gel that actually works for me. I've tried everything and I'm in love with this gel. So I'm just using a toothbrush to try and like slick it all down, as you guys can see. Okay, so I've done one side, it's left with the other side. And it's actually really easy to do, it's not hard at all. You just have to practice and you'll get it in the first few goes. Okay, that's the other side that I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm taking my wrap set mousse from ORS, and I'm just spraying a bit, okay, a lot, in my palm. And I'm putting this all over my braids, and this is going to set everything in place. You can actually use a bit more because it doesn't really matter, but yeah, so you just put a bit more on, and you make sure it goes everywhere, like everywhere. I put a bit on my braids at the end too. Then you just take any scarf that you have, as so, and you just tie everything. You make sure that everything is in place. I like to leave a bit of space between my edges and then the braids so that it doesn't really lie too flat, just so that the space between my braids and the edges are all flattened. Yeah, you see I left a bit in front, so yeah, so I just tie this. You make sure it's actually very tight, and don't mind me, and then you just tie everything in place like so. Yeah, so then that's it for there. Okay, so after waiting for like 15 to 30 minutes, I decided to take off the scarf just to see how it looks. And just look at that, just look at the edges. Everything is in place, the hair is not crazy looking, everything is snatched. And I'm just turning around so that you guys can see how the whole thing looks. So that's it. Okay, so you guys saw how easy this was. It was really easy, and the products are not expensive as well. You can even get them in, there's this place I get them from at Adenta. It's called Smack. So if you're around the Adenta area, that's a very cool place to find all the products. So let me know how this style or this method turned out for you guys. Please comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.